To connect your high-tech bot to the Binance exchange, we need to build a secure digital bridge between the two platforms. This connection allows the bot to read your balance and execute trades on your behalf, but it physically cannot withdraw your funds. Before we start the binding process, make sure you are logged in to both the high-tech bot and Binance apps on your device, and that your security authenticators are active. By setting this up correctly, you get the speed of automated trading while keeping complete control over your capital. Look at this interface. Inside the high-tech bot app, navigate to the Mine tab, select Bind API, and copy the IP address shown at the top of the screen. Minimize the app. Do not close it. You need to keep this session active while we switch over to the exchange. Now open your Binance app. Tap More Services from the home screen, search for API, and select API Management. Tap Create API. Give it a Recognize All name, like High Tech Bot, and complete the security verification using your authenticator or biometrics. Once the profile is created, immediately tap Edit so we can configure the permissions. The profile is ready. Now we need to pass the security keys between the two apps to link them together. As you see in this diagram, we start by moving the public key. Copy the API key from your new Binance profile. Switch back to your minimized high-tech bot app and paste that string into the API key field. Return to Binance to retrieve the second component. Tap and hold to copy the secret key. Go back to the bot one more time and paste this into the secret key field. You must do this step right now. Once you save these settings in Binance, the exchange hides the secret key behind asterisks for security, and you won't be able to copy it again. With both keys transferred, the applications can now securely identify each other. Head back to Binance to set the boundaries. Scroll down and select the option that says Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Paste the IP address we copied from the bot earlier into this field and confirm. This ensures Binance will only accept commands coming directly from your specific bot. Look closely at this permission list. You need to click the box next to Enable Spot and Margin Trading, so the bot can actually execute orders. Now look right below that at the Enable Withdrawals option. Firmly leave this box completely empty. By keeping this unchecked, you guarantee that no matter what happens, the bot cannot move your capital out of your exchange wallet. Scroll to the top of the page, click Save, and complete one final security check with your authenticator. You've just created a strict boundary. The bot has the exact access it needs to generate profit, but zero access to transfer your money. Open the high-tech bot app one last time and tap Send next to the verification code field. Check your email inbox, copy the one-time passcode, and paste it into the bot. Check the box to agree to the risk warning terms and tap Find. The two platforms are now securely linked under the exact rules you just set. To confirm the setup worked, navigate to the Market tab on the bottom menu of the high-tech bot. As shown here, you will see your live Binance wallet balance populated right inside the bot's interface. Seeing that number means the exchange has accepted the keys, and the data bridge is actively flowing. With the connection established, the next step is assigning the bot its trading instructions, specifically using the universal trade setting for a 70-30 portfolio split. Your automated trading system is now fully online. It's authorized to analyze the market and execute trades, while your core capital stays exactly where it belongs, locked safely in your exchange account.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're digging into high-tech bot. Let's get started. So, can a bot really trade crypto and build a business for you? Let's find out. At its core, it's an automated crypto trading tool. It uses the Binance API for spot trading. But the big question is, how does it stay secure? Well, let's take a look. It all comes down to the API binding process. You're basically giving it permission to connect. And this is key. The bot can only trade. It has absolutely no permission to withdraw your funds. So how does it trade? The recommended strategy is to keep 30% of your funds in reserve. That 30% reserve is your safety net. It's there to handle big market dips and manage risk. Okay, so beyond the trading part, there's a whole business plan. Let's break down how you earn. It boils down to 4 main income streams, from commissions to profit sharing and even royalty pools. Now, whenever a trade makes a profit, the bot takes a small fee. Here's how that works. The bot takes a 25% fee from your profits. This comes from your separate bot wallet, not Binance. So out of that fee, the company keeps 5%.
The other 20%, that gets shared with the team.
Everyone starts at the starter rank. To get to star, you'll need to grow your team.
And once you hit the star rank, you unlock something new, a global royalty pool.
To get to R3 and silver, you need leaders in your team, and that's when commissions really jump.
As you climb, you also start earning difference commissions from your whole team's activity.
Then you have the top tiers: gold, diamond, and double diamond. This is where the rewards get serious.
You know, at that highest rank, the estimated monthly income is pretty staggering: 3 to 15 lakh rupees.
All right, so how does high-tech bot stack up against the competition, like, say, Royal Q?
Well, the biggest differences are the fee structure and the fact that it's an Indian company.
And they really emphasize their registration with the Indian government as a point of trust.
So is this mix of automated trading and network marketing the future? It's a pretty interesting question.